What's going on, everybody? My name is Lee Bartow, and today we're going to step our pasta game up. We're going to go ahead and we're going to make ourselves a 15-minute sauce arrabbiata with some fresh shrimp and a little bit of linguine. Now that is what I'm talking about. Let's get upstairs and hit the kitchen. This is cooking with style. Now it's time to grab our ingredients and get ready. San Marzano whole peeled tomatoes, peeled tail-on shrimp, linguini pasta, thin sliced garlic, small diced onion, tomato paste, red chili flakes, dry Italian herb blend, kosher salt, and some fresh herbs for garnishing. Now when you're prepping your garlic, you want to put it flat side down and then just press firmly on top of it to separate the cloves. Once you separate the cloves and you have them peeled, you want to slice them very thin with a very sharp knife. That way it almost starts to melt when it gets into hot oil. Now it's time to make the most difficult tomato sauce you've ever made in your life. All you gotta do is place the San Marzano tomatoes, tomato paste, and your dry herb seasoning blend into a food processor or a blender, pulse it up for about 1.5 minutes, and you are good to go. It's time to get saucy, people. Go ahead and throw in a copious amount of extra virgin olive oil. Toss in your diced onions, let them sweat for about 1 minute, then go ahead and add your sliced garlic. Once you have your sliced garlic and you start to see a little bit of toasting, you want to throw in your chili flakes. Let your chili flakes cook out for about 1.5 minutes. That way you can really make the oil pop. Now go ahead and add your San Marzano and tomato paste mixture that you made previously and let it simmer for about 4 minutes covered. While your sauce is simmering, go ahead and toss in your linguine into a boiling salted pot of water, and you want to cook it for about 1.5 minutes less than what it actually recommends on the box because you're going to finish it in the sauce. Now once our sauce has been cooking for about 4 minutes on a simmer, go ahead and add your peeled shrimp, and you want to let them cook for about 5.5 minutes. Now that our shrimp has been cooking for about 5.5 minutes, let's go ahead and season it with salt and pepper. Mix that thoroughly, taste it, so that way you know that it's seasoned properly. Now one of the best parts about this method is you don't even need a colander. Use a set of tongs and transfer your linguine over into your sauce arrabbiata with shrimp. You want to allow a little bit of that starchy pasta water to come along with it. That'll help thicken your sauce. Mix it thoroughly and let it rest for about 2 minutes. It's time to eat the pasta. Let's go ahead and plate it up in a large serving bowl. Top it off with some extra virgin olive oil, some fresh grated Parmesan cheese, and also some of those fresh herbs that we prepped up earlier, just to make it look pretty and also add a little bit of texture. Okay, seriously, it's impossible. Oh, see what I did there? Another dad joke for you not to like this dish. Very simple, fast, clean, right amount of spice, and just the right amount of cheesiness. Enjoy it. Thanks again for watching, everybody. If you'd like to see any of my other videos, click the link right up in here. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, there'll be a link right up over here. And then as well, all the ingredients that we just covered in this recipe will be in the description down below. Thanks again, and keep cooking with style.